Welcome to SOLIDWORKS Stress Analysis Engineer career track. My name is Pratik and I work as Assistant Manager Technical FEA Center of Excellence at EDST Technologies. I have completed my Masters in Mechanical Engineering with specialization in CAE from New Jersey Institute of Technology. You all might enjoy riding two-wheelers, and two-wheelers nowadays are equipped with disc brakes. For the disc brake, the important aspect for efficient braking system is the structural and thermal properties of the disc. A stress engineer performs the structural and thermal analysis of the disc to avoid issues like unexpected failure, brake fading, brake squealing, crack formation, and improve the braking performance. An engineer who researches, develops, analyzes, and supports testing of products or processes is known as a stress analysis engineer. This is a core engineering field where many of engineering students as well as graduates would like to have a career. Now, let us understand the job responsibilities of this role. Stress analysis engineers play an important role in product development by ensuring product safety, developing cost-effective products by ensuring the right design, right material, optimum usage of material, and so on. They should have an accurate understanding of mechanical behavior of the product by using virtual design and analysis environment. SolidWorks is a premier design software which helps you to deliver an innovative solution to market faster. SolidWorks is used in broad range of industries such as consumer products, transportation and mobility, electronics, and so on. Now let us see the major takeaways from this course. In SolidWorks Stress Analysis Engineer course, you will learn about design of parts, functional understanding in assembly space, create manufacturing drawing, sheet metal engineering, model-based definition, and finite element analysis. Learning SolidWorks Stress Analysis Engineer career track will help you to attain the necessary skills to get you an opportunity to work as a stress engineer. Salary packages offered for freshers vary from 3 lakhs per annum to 6 lakhs per annum based on the type of company. So grab this golden opportunity, enroll yourselves, and have a rewarding and a fulfilling career.